Right, this question in our series on how to get a grade 9 maths is a sum of an arithmetic series for IGCSE mathematicians. And what we got is we have a firm who has 100 employees on a particular Monday. Next day adds 12 employees onto its staff and continues to do so on every successive working day from Monday to Friday. So what we have on Monday, the first Monday, we have 100 employees. And then on Tuesday, it's going to add another 12 employees. So you get 100 plus 12. And on Wednesday, we get 100 plus another 12 plus another 12, and so on. So we're adding on 12 every day to the number of employees we got. And what we got is an arithmetic progression where the first term's 100, so A equals 100. And we've got the common difference of equal to 12. And what happens is, if we keep going on, we're going to add on effectively 39 lots of 12. So because there's 40 terms, okay, n equals 40, what we're going to have is the nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 lots of d. And I'm just doing this because it's actually told us the answer to this, but we may as well work through this and see what's going on. Actually, in this question, they would have asked you to show that or find it. Anyway, we've got 100 plus 39 times 12. And if we work that out, 39 times 12 is 468. So you get 100 plus 468. And then you get that 568. So that just goes to show that we can see the number of employees at the end of the 8th week is 568. Each employed is paid £55 per working day. Determine the total wage bill for the 8-week period. So if we just think about that, on the Monday, we're going to have those 100 employees is going to be paid £55. So the amount they're going to be paid is going to be 100 times 55. And then on the Tuesday, you're going to have 112 employees also paid £55. And that's going to be added onto our wage bill. So that's going to be equal to 112 times 55. And then on the Wednesday, you're going to have 124 times 55. And that's going to be added onto our wage bill. And what you can see is we've got the sum of an arithmetic that's been times by 55. So we know we're going to get 55 times by 100 plus 100 plus 12, that's the 112 there, plus another 100 plus 12 plus 12 times. Okay, and what we're doing is we're adding up all these terms of our arithmetic, where the first term that's going to be our A term, our D term is still 12, and we're still going to have n is equal to 40. Now the sum of an arithmetic is equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 lots of d. So we put this all into our formula. So the sum of the first 40 terms, our first term's 100, is going to be 40 over 2 times 2 times 100 plus 39, because n minus 1 is 39, times by 12. And we work that all out. We do 200 here, plus 39 times 12, this bit here, gives us 668, so we get 20 times 668, which gives us 13,360. But remember, they're getting, that's 55 we've got to times that by. So the total equals 55 times 113,360, which gives us £734,800. Okay, so when you're doing these questions, write them out to get a pattern what's going on. So here we were just looking at the pattern of the number of employees to get to that 568, so just understanding that part of the problem. And then we realise we've got to add everything up, okay, for when we're doing the total amount each employee's paid and what the total wage bill will be. So you had those 100 employees paid 55, those 112 paid 55, those 124 paid 55, and we're adding them all together. We can take out a factor of 55, and then you're just left with this arithmetic series where you got 100 plus 100 plus 12 plus 100 plus another and 12 plus another 12. And so therefore we can use this formula to work out the sum of the inside of the brackets, and then we can times that by 55 to get our total wage bill.